Okay, we will start our chapter. Okay, we will start our point. Today we will discuss scope of variables. Okay, next one, modules. All of you know about modules. Okay, yes. Next point, packages. How to install packages in your laptop, in our whatever you, if you want to install any package, pandas, numpy. Okay, that's like how to create packages module in Python. Yes, we will discuss today 3 point: scope of variables, modules, packages, constant. Okay, and next one, command line argument. Very much important in today's point, command line argument. Okay, join it fast. Okay, they're having some of the scope of variable. Okay, all of you know about variables. They're having some of the access the variables. We are having the sum of the scope, means area. We will decide some of the area vacant in your program. Yes, in all C, C++, Java, Python, they are having all program having the sum of the scope. Yes, means accessing area. Yes, all of you understood how to access the sum of the area of define the scope. Okay, we will declare the variables. They are having the scope. Yes, suppose we will write it here, a is equal to 5. Okay, means a is equal to 5, means variables they are having the scope of scope. Yes, means they are having the Python, they are having the two scope, local scope and global scope. All of you know about local scope. Yes, what is mean by local scope? Yes, anybody tell me? Today revise the concept of C++. Okay, well, scope of variables. Already you are know about C. Yes, what is mean by local scope? Yes, anybody? Yes. Oh, sorry. I'm muted. Vedangi. Okay, we will repeat it. Today's point. Scope of variables. All of you know about scope of variable. What is mean by scope of variable? Anybody tell me? Yes. Yes. Anybody tell me what is mean by scope of variable? Yes. They are having variable. They are having sum of the scope. Yes. म्हणजे कोणत्याही एका व्हॅल्यू, कोणत्याही एका पर्सनला व्हॅल्यू असते. ओके, आयडेंटिफायर असतं. ओके, येस, त्यासाठी आपण स्कोप ऑफ व्हरायबल, तसं C++, जावा, पायथॉन, दे आर हॅव्हिंग दी सेपरेट स्कोप ऑफ व्हरायबल्स. ओके, व्हरायबलला एक स्कोप असणार. ओके, ते कुठे ऍक्सेस करायचं. ओके, येस, अंडरस्टूड एव्हरीबडी? If it is local, if it is global, if you write it inside the function, inside the program, they're having the local scope. Local scope means we can access only inside the function, only inside the program. Okay, and global scope means we will access the variable outside the function also and inside the function also. Okay, understood? Understood everybody? Yes. Yes, Vedangi. Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next we will see a practical program of local scope and global scope. Okay. If it is better to use Jupyter, yes, all of you, because a model program, I will use Jupyter Notebook. Yes. We will take simple program here. All of you see this screen? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose I am writing here okay. We will write diff, function, definition, keyword. Diff is a keyword from function. Okay. We can write it diff for function. Okay. Next one, we will write it here, demo. Okay. Next one, we will write it here, print. Welcome to all TY. Okay. Next, we will run it. Why? Because we will not call the function. That's why only we can define the function. We will not call it. Yes? Yes, am I right? Only we will declare the function. Yes? I'm not called the function. That's why it is not print anything. Yes? We can write it here. Calling function. Okay? We can call the function demo. Okay? Run this model. Welcome to all. Okay. Suppose I will write it here. Message is equal to, write it here, hello. Okay. Hello. Then print this message to here. Okay. Print outside the function definition. Okay. And then we'll call it here message. Okay. Run this model. Okay. Outside the function definition. Hello. All of you understood what is meant by local scope and global scope? Yes. It is very simple. All of you learn it in C, C++, and right now, suppose you learn it in Java also, and today in Python. Revise the concept of variable, scope of variable. Yes? Understood? Everybody? Yes? Yes? Student, give me reply fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Then we will move for our next point. What is mean by module? All of you create the program. Yes. How many program up to complete right now? Up to right now, how many program we will learn? Yes. Anybody tell me how many program we will study? Study it up to 28/11. Yes. How many? How much? Tell me how many complete program we will complete in 2 days, 28th November. Yes, anybody tell me? किती प्रोग्राम आपण कंप्लीट केले आतापर्यंत? येस, साक्षी. येस, विशाल. राहुल. Yes. Anybody tell me 10, 15, 20? Yes, like this. Okay. And all program, what extension we will save? .py. Yes. All of you understood? .py we will save our program. Yes. This all program, it is our first module. Means our file. All of you understood? आपण जे प्रोग्राम केले आतापर्यंत ते मॉड्यूल्स होते. ओके. Yes, modules means our file. Yes, all of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See here. First, we will see we import some module with the two method. We will use the import statement and next step the form import statement. With the two help of two method, we will install, we will module, use it in your program. Okay. म्हणजे या दोन स्टेटमेंट मधून आपण प्रोग्राम रन करू शकतो. म्हणजे कोणतेही मॉड्यूल इम्पोर्ट करू शकतो. सपोज आय वॉन्ट टू यूज मॅथ मॉड्यूल. ओके. येस. देन इम्पोर्ट मॅथ. Yes, and use it power module. Okay. Yes. Okay, we will see it in today. Okay. First of all, ideally, okay, file name. Okay, and next one, run the module. We can use, suppose use it file, new file, then run module. Okay, run the save and run the module. Okay, म्हणजे तुम्ही जे प्रोग्राम तुम्ही राईट करत होता, सपोज फिबोनाची सिरीज, फॅक्टोरियल नंबर, then next one addition of two number. Okay, then we will run it the module. Okay, suppose you run it, save it Fibonacci.py, then we run the module. Okay, run module. Okay, all of you see this screen, run the module. Yes. Okay, then we will move for our program. Okay, with the help of two statement. What is two statement? Tell me. Import statement and next one form import. Yes, today we will see import import math. Okay. Next one, from math, import power. Okay. Yes. Next one, x is equal to power of 2, 3. Okay. Next one, print x. Okay. All of you see this screen? Yes. Two method. I will use it here. Okay. Import statement and next one, from import statement. Okay. Yes. Run this model. What is the output here? Yes. Student, give me reply. I know that it is afternoon session. Yes. What is the output here?
8.
8. Okay. All of you know about two statement, how to import some module in Python. Yes. Then we will go for next point. Okay. Modules means your file. Okay. समजलं का? एखादं मॉड्यूल आपल्याला डिफाईन करायचं असेल तर आपण इम्पोर्ट नेम या पॉइंटने डिफाईन करतो. ओके. Yes, all of you understood? Import name. Okay. Importing the another modules in your Python, in your program. Okay. Next one, how to create module, how to use module, and what is the variable in the module, naming module and building module. They are having the 5 steps. Okay. First of all of you know about how to create modules. Yes. Fibonacci series. Yes. All of you create the program. Yes. We can create the module. Yes. Next one, we can use the module. All of you know about how to run the module. Yes. Then next one, variable in module and built-in modules. They are having some of the built-in modules, means platform. Next one, directory. Yes, today we will see create a module, use a module, variables in module, naming of modules and built-in modules. Okay. Create the module, div, definition, function. We can create the function. Next one, message. Okay. Next one, print. Hello. Okay. Hello. First of all, write it comment here. Okay. Create a module. Okay. Run this module. Run it? No, because we will not call the function. Okay. Calling the function. Okay. Calling the function. Okay. Next one, message. Okay. Save this change. Run the module. Hello. Okay. Then we will use the module. Okay. We can create the first file. Yes. We can import it. No. We will use it. Another method, import the module, my module, anything. Okay. Then my module dot message hello. Okay. Next one, save this, run this model. What is the error here? Okay, wait for a minute. We will see here. Okay, math. Okay, we will use it. No attribute. Okay. Input module 1. Okay, next one. We'll run it. My module 1 dot message. Hello. Then run it. Why? Why is this not running? Is it okay? Wait for a minute. We will increase. Yes, right now it is visible to all. Yes. Okay, we will see next one, import. All of you see this screen? Yes. Then import print math package. Okay. Run this model, math package, print it. Okay. Yes. All of you understood this much? This much part? Yes. Yes. All of you? Yes. Next one, built-in models. Means they are having this sum of the built-in models in Python, like platform. Next one, directory. We will see first one, platform. Okay. X is equal to platform dot system. Means next one, print X. Okay. Run this model. Why it is not running? Platform. Okay. Okay. Windows OS. Okay. System is Windows OS. That's why output is Windows. Okay. Next one, directory. Print all system directories here. Okay. Platform. All of you see this screen. Directory. All directory save. Okay. Print X here. Run this model. See here, all this directory in your system. Print it here. Okay. Python compiler, Python version, release, warning. Yes, all of you see this screen? Yes, they're having the built-in modules in Python. Okay? Yes, all of you understood this much part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Then we will move directly command line. Okay? It is very important point in your syllabus. Okay? What is mean by command line? Anybody tell me what is mean by command line? Yes? Because of all of you know about command line. Okay. In simple program, we will use a input from the user. We will take the function. No, okay. Directly we will not move command line. First of all, packages. Okay. What is mean by packages? Yes. Anybody tell me what is mean by packages? Suppose I want install pandas. Yes. Then which I will not use Jupyter notebook. I want to use my editor ideally. Okay. Then first of all, go for CMD command line and write it pip install pandas. Yes. Am I correct? म्हणजे मला ऑफलाईनला पांडास इन्स्टॉल करायचा आहे, ज्युपिटर नोटबुक इन्स्टॉल करायचे आहे, तर मला फर्स्ट काय करावं लागेल वेदांगी? साक्षी? येस? आणि ऑफलाईन आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू यूज ज्युपिटर नोटबुक. We can directly install in our computer. Yes. Then what will be used here? Yes. All of you so much keep silence. Rahul, Kapat. B division. Packages, it is a considered as a collection of tools. Okay, means suppose I want to install camel case. Okay, suppose I will write it here directly. We will go for practical. Write it here. Windows R CMD, open it. Okay, packages is a collection of tools. Okay, like these pandas, numpy, that's like. Okay, numpy, it is used for scientific calculation. Yes, all of you know about scientific calculation. We will use numpy. Yes. Then pip install. First go for your pip install camel case. Okay, why it is? Because of it is already installed in my PC. Okay. Okay, pip lists. Why? Okay, pip list. Okay, they're having the all packages in my my system. Okay, suppose, okay, SciPy, okay, like this PyTest, Py, okay, See here. Okay, yes. Jupyter Notebook, JSON, XML, markup safe, Pillow, PEP, 8. Yes. Why it is used PEP in Python? Yes, anybody tell me why use PEP? Because of any software or any packages. Sorry, software no. Any module or any packages, any module or any module we install in our system use PIP package. Okay, means prepared installer program. Okay, yes, it is a collection of tools. Okay, yes. Next one, command line argument. Okay, suppose in our normal program in Python use input function. Okay, in command line argument without using input function we will write a program. Okay, म्हणजे तुम्हाला विदाउट युजिंग म्हणजे इनपुट फंक्शन यूज न करता आपल्याला एक प्रोग्राम करायचा आहे. ओके, वी कॅन डायरेक्टली यूज कमांड लाईन आर्ग्युमेंट CMD. ओके, युजिंग इनपुट. ओके, त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय लागणार आहे? आर्ग्युमेंट V. ओके, आर्ग्युमेंट व्हॅल्यूज. ओके, we will see the program, then all of you understood what is meant by. Okay, right now we will use simple editor. Ideally open it. Okay, file, new file. Yes, and command line argument we will use sys module. Okay, yes, while yes module. Okay, all of you know about sys module? Yes, yes, all of you. My voice is audible to all? Yes?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then command line argument without using input function we will use write the program. Okay? म्हणजे input function न use करता आपल्याला एक program write करायचा आहे. Okay? Using sys module. Okay? Yes, why? Yes module. Okay? Import here. Import sys. Okay? Next one, print. Argument value means what? That's like a list. Okay? म्हणजे तुमची लिस्ट कशी असते तशी आर्ग्युमेंट व्हॅल्यू असते. ओके, आर्ग्युमेंट व्हॅल्यू वी कॅन पास टू ऍक्सेस द व्हॅल्यू. ओके, ऍक्सेस द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. ओके, वी कॅन राईट इट इन CMD. ओके, प्रिंट SIS dot argument value, then print it here. We can write it comment here, argument value. Okay, argument value. We can access the argument value using sys dot argument. Okay, all of you see here there having some mistake. Argument value. Okay, save this change. Save this file desktop. Path सगळ्यांनी path correct द्या. Okay, all of you listen carefully. Path correct दिल्यानंतरच program run होईल. Okay, if you are save your program in desktop, give the desktop path. Okay, if your file is saved in your Python program, give the Python program file path. Okay, cmd.py. Okay, save this file. Yes, then don't go here, run the module. Okay, in command line argument, we can directly use command line prompt. Okay, Windows R CMD, open it, write it here, CMD 1 student, then CD desktop. Okay, why? Because my file save it in desktop. Okay, समजलं सगळ्यांना? माझी फाईल डेस्कटॉप मध्ये सेव्ह आहे, डेस्कटॉप फोल्डर मध्ये सेव्ह आहे, म्हणून मी माझा पाथ CD डेस्कटॉप म्हणून दिलेला आहे. ओके, म्यूट युअर माइक, शुभम सेन, म्यूट युअर माइक. Okay, yes, then we will go for our cmd1.py, then write it here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, yes, all of you see this file 1 2 3 4 5. then argument value म्हणजे काय? तुमची लिस्ट आहे. ओके, ती लिस्ट ऍक्सेस करणार स्ट्रिंग. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Suppose argument value 0. We can write it here. म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजेल. Okay. Where is Microsoft? Word. Okay. Suppose system dot argument value. Okay. हे तुमची लिस्ट आहे, as a your list, as like your list. Okay. त्याचे एलिमेंट तुम्हाला ऍक्सेस करायचं असेल. ओके, आर्ग्युमेंट व्हॅल्यूची एलिमेंट ऍक्सेस करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला आर्ग्युमेंट व्हॅल्यू 0 हे तुम्ही समजून घ्या. ते मी आर्ग्युमेंट व्हॅल्यू 1 हे कॅपिटल मध्ये नसतं. ओके, सेव्ह दिस अँड नेक्स्ट वन argument value n. Okay, 4 or 5. Okay, and argument 0, it is your file name. What is your file name? Is there your file name printed 0th location. Okay, समजलं काय? ते 0th location ला फर्स्ट तुमचं फाईल नेम आलं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, all of you understood this much part? Yes, yes. Suppose here I want to know length of the argument. Okay, length of the argument. Then what will be do here? Go here, write it here length, then print it, save this file, and then run the module once again. cmd 1.py 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, what is the length of the file here? Yes, all of you, what is the length of the file? Yes, yes, what is the length of the file? Okay, Then I want to print here the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in separate order. Okay. Then what will we do here? इथे काय करायचं आपण? मला सेपरेट प्रिंट करायचं असेल. Argument 1, argument 2, argument 3, argument 4. Then what will we do here? First of all, print system dot argument. Okay. Argument value. Then see here, all are printed here. Print sys length of the argument sys dot argument value. Yes. Then for loop for element in system dot argument value. Okay. Then we will print it here. Print argument element. Okay. Save this change. Run this module. Run it. Okay. Save this change. Run the module. Once again, cmd 1 dot pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All of you see this screen. Argument 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Print it here. Yes. समजलं का? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 प्रिंट झाले. Each argument we print it separately. Yes. समजलं का तुम्हाला? Yes. Yes. All of you. Okay. Then they are having the next program. All of you do it the program. Our next program. I will do it using command line. Sum of the number. Yes. Sum of the element. Sum of the number. Yes. All of you do it or I will do it. I will do it for you. Okay. काय एक डेमो दाखवू. समचा मी करते, तुम्ही सबस्ट्रॅक्शनचा करणार का? युजिंग कमांड लाईन आर्ग्युमेंट. येस. येस. Yes, all of you. All of you. I will do it addition program using command line. You do it subtraction. Okay. All of you. Okay. Yes. Import sys. Okay. Listen carefully. If you are doing command line argument, don't miss sys import it. Okay. And then use command line argument. Don't use input function and then anything. Okay. For I in range. Okay. Then 1 comma length of sys dot argument fee. Yes. Then colon. Next one sum plus is equal to int. Why use it int here? Because we will convert the string value into integer. Okay? Int sys dot argument, then I, okay, print it here, result, print it here, result is equal to comma sum. Okay, save this file into your desktop, c dot add, okay, dot py. Save this file. Next one, go here, write it here, c add dot py. Okay, next one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, why it is error here? Yes, anybody tell me why this error here happen? Yes, only one change. Write it here, sum is equal to 0. Okay, sum is equal to 0. Save this file. Save this file. Run this module. 21. Okay. Yes, all of you understood. Command line argument. Command line argument म्हणजे काय? तुम्ही without using input function तुम्ही program write करू शकता. Okay. Using the help of argument p. Okay. म्हणजे argument value. Suppose we will write it here only sys dot argument p I म्हणजे ते फक्त लिस्ट घेणार, पण ते कशा थ्रू लिस्ट घेणार? ओनली स्ट्रिंग व्हॅल्यू. ओनली स्ट्रिंग व्हॅल्यू इट विल बी प्रिंट. ओके, म्हणून आपण त्याला कन्वर्ट करणार कशामध्ये? इंटिजर मध्ये. अँड नेक्स्ट वन इंटिजर व्हॅल्यूचे आउटपुट येणार आपल्याला सम करून. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू डू इट द मल्टिप्लिकेशन युजिंग दिस subtraction, multiplication, two method you perform. Yes. Why today is so much less responses here? Why? Yes. What happened? See here, it is very easy topic. All of you learn it. This in C, C++, but we will revise the concept. Okay. Then next we will go for OOPS concept. Okay. जावा मधले UPS कॉन्सेप्टचे प्रोग्राम हे वेगळे आहेत आणि पायथॉनचे UPS कॉन्सेप्टचे प्रोग्राम हे वेगळे आहेत. ओके, म्हणून डोंट मिस एनी सेशन because it is helpful for you because we will go for Python depth. Okay. Yes. Yes, understood this much part? Yes, student, give me reply. Yes. Yes, all of you take it do it the program using command line argument, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, all of you ready? Be ready. All of you, I will check it. A division 2 student. Okay, program, and B division 2 student. Be ready your program. I will, okay, take it 5 minutes and do it the program command line argument. Okay. Yes, Vedangi.
Okay, ma'am.
Sakshi. Please do it program. Yes, anybody complete this task? Yes. Yes, anybody complete? Anybody complete this task? Yes. And B division, anyone, all of you. D division, any one student share your screen. A and B division, it is compulsory. Okay, to all. Here share your screen and say, yes, Vedangi.
Ma'am, I have done for multiplication. Can I present?
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. I will go make you co-host now. Okay, no. No. No co-host now. Yes. Yes. Okay, Vedangi. Share your screen. Okay. I see here all of you. Okay. Okay. Very good. Make the change here minus. Okay. Then we will see what is the output here. Multiplication and subtraction. Okay. Very good, Vedangi. Anyone, all of you, anyone another to share your screen? Yes. Anyone interested to share your screen? Yes. Okay, Vishakha, wait for a minute. Yes, Vishakha. You are now co-host. Share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
B division. At least one student to share your screen. Share your screen. Okay. If it is both division, complete your task. Send our group. Otherwise, share your screen. Okay. Vishakha, if it is possible to share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I send WhatsApp because it's not going to sharing?
Okay. Send WhatsApp. B division. B division. Yes. B division. Anyone want to share your screen? Is it one student? At least one student of B division. Reply fast. Okay. Reply fast. B division. Okay. No any problem. Yes. Okay. For your homework, today's homework. Argument parts. Write it argument parts. Today we will see argument value. Okay. Write it. What is the use of PIP? PIP. Write it. Write it. The question of today's session. Okay. What is the use of PIP? Because it is very basic question and some of the question ask for you only this much part. Okay. PIP. Okay. Next one, argument parts. What is meant by argument parts? ARG, PARSE. Okay. Argument parts. Okay. Write it 2 question in your notebook. Explain it correctly and send it our Python programming group. Okay. Yes, today's question. All of you understood what is the today's question? Yes. Yes, Vishal, Rahul. Yes. A and B division. Yes. समजले का क्वेश्चन काय आहे? आणि हे पुढच्या शनिवार पर्यंत करायचे. ओके. नेक्स्ट सॅटरडे. ओके. इनफ टाइम. येस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
येस. डोंट तुम्ही काही गाई खडबड करू नका. तुमच्या टाइम नुसार मला पुढच्या सॅटरडे पर्यंत मला ते क्वेश्चन तुम्ही सेंड करा. ओके. क्वेश्चनचे आन्सर. ओके. प्लीज. ओके. अमृता, व्हॉट इज PIP? पिप पॅकेज. ओके. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय पिप पॅकेज? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे आर्ग्युमेंट पार्ट्स. कमांड लाईन आर्ग्युमेंट. आता आपण आर्ग्युमेंट व्हॅल्यू बघितले. ओके. नेक्स्ट टाइप आहे आर्ग्युमेंट पार्ट्स. ARG, PARSE. ओके. आर्ग्युमेंट पार्ट्स. सपोज एक प्रोग्राम असेल तरी चालेल. नो एनी इश्यू. बट they are having the specific explanation of the program. Okay. Yes. All of you understood? Yes. Then we will move forward. Constant. Okay. All of you know about it. Constant. If some value should be constant, means we will not change the value of this variable. Okay. Suppose pi variables आहे. मग त्याला स्पेसिफिक व्हॅल्यूज आहे 3.14. We will not change it this value. Okay. Yes. All of you understood? Pi is equal to 3.14. We will not change this value in any cost. Okay. म्हणजे ही व्हॅल्यू चेंज करता येत नाही. एखादी कॉन्स्टंट व्हॅरिएबल असेल, कॉन्स्टंटची व्हॅल्यू चेंज करता येत नाही. ओके. समजली एवढी थेरी? बास आहे कॉन्स्टंट साठी. आय थिंक if you are want to program in next lecture, we will see the program of constant. Okay. Yes. We will see the first. Yes, in today's lecture, recap of today's lecture. First, we will see 4 point important in Python basics. Okay. scope of variable. Next one, modules. Next one, packages. Okay. Next one, command line argument. Okay. And next one, constant. Okay. Next one, scope of variable. What is there? Having the two type of scope of variable, local scope and global scope. Okay. Local scope, we will access the variable inside the function, inside the program. Okay. Global scope, we will access the global scope inside also and outside the program, outside the function also. Okay. Then next one, modules. All of you know about Fibonacci series. We will create the basic program. We will create the basic module in your Python. Yes? Yes? With the help of accessing the module with the help of two statements, import statement and a form import statement. Okay? Next one, we can create the module, we can use the module, we can variables in module, naming variables in module, built-in module. Built-in module, we will see platform, system, and next one, directory. Okay. Packages, it is nothing but collection of tools. Okay. We can collect the tools of programmer side. Okay. Next one, PIP, preferred installer program. pip install any package, Panda, Jupyter. Suppose माझ्याकडे ऑफलाईन आहे, ऑनलाईन आहेच, क्लाउड प्लॅटफॉर्म आहे ॲनाकोंडा. ओके. पण मला त्या क्लाउड प्लॅटफॉर्मचा यूज करायचा नाहीये. सपोज मला त्या क्लाउड प्लॅटफॉर्मचा यूज करायचा नाहीये, समजलं. आणि मला ज्युपिटर नोटबुक इन्स्टॉल करायची विदाउट युजिंग नेट, विदाउट युजिंग cloud platform. Okay, then we will use it, suppose we will use it net also. Net, login to net, cmd, write it cmd and write it pip install Jupyter notebook. First Python, install it Python. Next one, write it pip install Jupyter notebook. Okay. Camel case. Next one, any package if you want to use. Okay, with the help of pip we can install any packages. Okay. Next one, command line argument. In command line argument, without using input function, we can use another way to accept the input. Okay, using command line argument, we can directly take the input from the CMD. Okay. Yes, all of you understood this much part. And using command line argument, compulsory use the module. Yes, why? Yes, module. Okay. SIS module, it is compulsory to use in command line argument. Okay. Next one, constant. It is very simple one line statement. Will not change the values of variable. Okay. For example, pi ची व्हॅल्यू 3.14 असते. ओके. एनी एरियाची व्हॅल्यू, पायची व्हॅल्यू 3.18 आहे. Okay. Yes. Anyone having any question till now? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes. But no anyone ask the question why range it is here 1 to length of cm dot argument value. Why? No having कुणाला तसा क्वेश्चन नाही का पडला, आपण रेंज 1 पासून का देत आहे? आपण 0 पासून लेंथ का देत नाही? Why? Because of 0th length, we can store the file name. Okay, we can store the name of 0th location, cmd1.py. Okay, cmd1.py c.add.py means c add हे 0th लोकेशनला स्टोअर होणार. ओके, आणि आर्ग्युमेंट कशापासून स्टार्ट होणार? इंडेक्स 1 पासून स्टार्ट होणार आहे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 म्हणून ऍडिशन आपण फक्त 1 पासून स्टार्ट करणार आहे. म्हणून रेंज आपण इथे रेंज आपण इथे 1 पासून स्टार्ट केली आहे. ओके, and yes, if you are having 6 months, 6 or 7 months, complete focus on your basic clear. Okay, every programming language basic should be clear. Okay, समजलं का सगळ्यांना? तुमचे सगळ्यांचे बेसिक 2 पार्टच पाहिजे. आपण हे का यूज करत आहे, कशासाठी यूज करत आहे आणि त्याचा यूज पुढे काय आहे हे आता आपल्याला समजलंच पाहिजे. ओके, अँड डोंट टेक टेन्शन. जास्त काही क्वेश्चन तुमच्या पुढे नाही विचारणार. तुम्हाला ते बेसिक जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट असतं ना, तेवढंच फक्त क्लिअर करतात. इवन तो आतापर्यंत माझा अनुभव आहे तसा. ओके, तुमचे बेसिक क्लिअर असेल, बेसिक फंडामेंटल ऑफ C++, जावा, नो एनी, तुम्हाला काहीच प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही प्लेस व्हायला. तुमचे बेसिक परफेक्ट क्लिअर असायला पाहिजे. आणि प्रोजेक्टवर आत्ताच कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन जास्तीत जास्त ठेवा. ऑल ऑफ यू, A and B division. If you want to do it Python, take it Python language project, do it and go depth on the Python. Okay, प्रोजेक्ट हा महत्वाचा पॉइंट आहे. प्रोजेक्ट हा ऍडव्हान्सच ठेवायचा. ओके, येस, एव्हरीबडी अंडरस्टूड? येस, या सेशन मध्ये काय कुणाला डाऊट आहे का?
नो मॅम.
Yes, they having the sum of the basic part is remaining in second chapter. We will clear it today. Okay, next on 4th we will go for our third unit. Okay, OOPS concept. It is most important part. It is a mother of every languages. Okay, and most of the interviewer, most of the company ask the question only OOPS concept. Okay, तुमचे कोणतेही क्वेश्चन हे विचारले गेलेले आहेत आतापर्यंत ते OOPS कॉन्सेप्ट वर विचारले गेलेले आहे. ओके, बाकी कशावर सुद्धा नाही. OOPS pillar, tell me OOPS pillar like this. It is recently. Okay, recently question. आणि मी हे जास्त ब्रशअप करणारच आहे. कधीही माझा लेक्चर असेल तर मी ब्रशअप आत्ताचं क्वेश्चन वरच करणार आहे. कळालं? म्हणजे तुम्ही त्यावर सर्च कराल, त्यावर स्टडी कराल. ओके, write it into your pen and paper. OOPS concept. What is OOPS concept? Tell the 4 pillars of OOPS concept like this. And don't miss henceforth session because we'll go for our actual Python programming. ओके, OOPS concept स्टार्ट झाल्यावर actual Python चालू झाल्यासारखा असं वाटेल. ओके, let us be, if you are missing some of the session, but don't miss henceforth session is recap for your Python programming. Okay, today's session, anyone having any problem? Yes, scope of variables. What is module? And next one, we can create the module, use of the module, variables in module, packages. And yes, third question. What is the difference between modules and packages? Okay. ते थर्ड क्वेश्चन ऑप्शनला आहे. तुम्हाला तर हे वाटत असेल, व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन पॅकेजेस अँड मॉड्यूल. ओके, तुम्ही फाइंड आउट करू शकता. सिंपली वन लाईन मध्ये असला तरी सुद्धा काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. तुमच्याकडून आलं हे एक्सेप्टेड आहे. कारण का आलं तुम्हाला 3 क्वेश्चन आहे. आय विल रिपीट इट. फर्स्ट वन, what is PIP? Okay. Next question, argument parse. Today we will see argument value. Okay. Then you do it argument parse. Okay. Next, third, difference between modules and packages. Okay. Understood, everyone? Yes, anyone having any doubt? Yes. Yes, anyone having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then start your presentee. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. TYA. A. 1. 1. 1. Absent. 2.
Present, ma'am.
3. 3.
Yes, ma'am.
4.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
5. Present. 6.
Present, ma'am.
7. 7. 7. 8. 8 absent. 9.
Present, ma'am.
10.
Present, ma'am.
11.
Present, ma'am.
12. 12. 13.
Yes, ma'am.
14. 14. 15. 15 absent. 16.
Present, ma'am.
17.
Present, ma'am.
18.
Present, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
Present, ma'am.
21. 21. 21. 22.
Present, ma'am.
23. 23. 24.
Yes, ma'am.
25. 25, 26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28, 29, 29, absent, 30, 31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33, 34, 35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Yes, ma'am.
37,
Present, ma'am.
38, 38, 39, 39, 40,
Present, ma'am.
41,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am. 39 is present, ma'am.
okay, 40,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present,
fo-
ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44, 44,
Present, ma'am.
45, 45, 46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48, 48, 49,
Present, ma'am.
50,
Yes, ma'am.
51,
Yes. Present, ma'am.
52, 52, absent, 53,
Present, ma'am.
54,
Present, ma'am.
55, 56, 56, 57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am.
59, 59, 59, absent, 60, 60, 60, 61,
Yes, ma'am.
62, 62, 63, 64,
Yes, ma'am.
65, 65, and don't leave the session. 65, 66, 66, Siddhi, Siddhi, your video is on. Siddhi, roll number 41. Please, 41 roll number, please, your video should be off. 41 roll number, Vedangi. Call them. Just call them.
Okay, ma'am.
Roll number 41. Video is on. Okay? Yes. 66. 66. 67. 68, 69,
69 present, ma'am.
70,
70 present, ma'am.
71, 71, 71, 71, 72, 73, 74,
Present, ma'am.
75,
Yes, ma'am.
76, 76, 77, 78,
Present, ma'am.
79,
Present, ma'am.
80, 80, 80, absent. Okay. Absent roll number 7, 8, 14, 15, 25, 29, 30, 34, 38, 48, 52, 56, 59, 60, 62, 63, 65, 68, 71, 72, 73, 68 present. Okay. 71, 72,
Madam,
50.
it is present.
Okay. 8 is present. Okay.
48.
Okay. 48, 73, 77, 80. Final.
21 is present.
21 present. Absent roll number. I will call absent roll number right now. Please listen carefully. Absent roll number. Okay, finally. 7, 14, 15, 25, 29, 30, 34, 38, 52, 56, 59, 60, 62, 63, 65, 71, 72, 73, 77, 80. Okay. Yes. Okay. TYB. TYB. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3, 3. Don't leave left the session. Session is 4:30. Okay. Don't leave the session. Don't leave the session. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3, 3, 3, 4,
Yes, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 8, 9,
Present, ma'am.
10, 10, 11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19, 19, absent. 20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present,
22,
Present, ma'am.
22, 23,
present, ma'am.
24, 24, 25,
Present, ma'am.
26, 26, 27,
Present, ma'am.
27, present.
Present.
28, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35. Kiran, yes, 36, 36, 36, roll number 36. Absent, 37,
Present.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39, 39, 40, 40, 40, 40, 41,
Present, ma'am.
42, 42, 42 is present, 43, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47,
Present, ma'am.
48, 48, 49,
Present, ma'am.
50, 50, 51,
Present, ma'am.
52, 52, 53,
Present, ma'am.
54, 54, 55,
Present, ma'am.
56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 58, no, okay, 59, 59, 60, 61, 61, 61, 62, 63,
Present, ma'am.
62, 63 present, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 72, 73,
Yes, ma'am.
74,
Yes, ma'am.
75, 75, 76. Don't leave the session. Very much important point is discussed. Don't leave the session. Okay. 75, 76, 77, 78,
Present, ma'am.
79, 79, and 80. 80, 80.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, yes. Absent roll number TYB. Listen carefully. Absent roll number 14, 15, 19, 24, 26, 28, 29, 36, 39, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 48, 50, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 72, 76, 77.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am. Roll number
Ah.
36 present, ma'am.
36 present. Next roll number. Next roll number B division. 26 present. Sakshi.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am, B05 is present.
B05.
Ma'am, B27.
Yes. 27 present. 28. Okay. This is the absent roll number final. Final absent roll number एवढेच आहेत का? Okay. Like this present in B division. न सांगता सुद्धा मला स्ट्रिक्ट ऍक्शन घ्यावी लागेल तुमच्या बी डिव्हिजन. लिसन केअरफुली. साक्षी, स्ट्रिक्ट ऍक्शन घेतल्यानंतर तुम्ही हे होणार आहे का? Already defaulter list is for you. Okay. Henceforth, if you are having any loss, okay, don't miss any session in this onwards, because your presently it is mandatory for your external oral examination also and exam also. Okay. 75 च्या खाली जाऊन देऊ नका presently. Okay. And next important part and reminder for you, A and B division in Python ICA. ICA required for your hacker rank certification. Okay. 13 December. Okay. You are having 1 month. Complete Python certification, hacker rank certification. Okay. Yes, Vedangi. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of you. Complete. It is compulsory for all of you. If you are having ICA marks, if you want ICA marks for Python programming, if it is need for certification of hacker rank. Okay. It is increasing for your resume also. Okay. It is benefit for your resume. Okay. तुम्ही तसे तसे पुढे जाल त्यावेळेला तुम्हाला त्याचं बेनिफिट कळेल, आता करणार नाही. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू, रिमाइंडर, take it compulsory, take it seriously and do it for your benefit. Okay, your own benefit. Okay. Thank you very much, and send the message A division and B division CR to all your students. Okay. Yes. Okay, you are having good evening, good session. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. We will stop here.